ang radyo natin yan. Our time now is 10:04 in the morning. And of course, with me is the gorgeous DJ JB. Ayan.
Ayun, walang tulog na DJ.
Pero kahit walang tulog, gorgeous pa rin. Makikita nyo si DJ JB. Iba, star na star pa rin kahit
Nox
kuya.
naman, syempre naman.
Oh.
Magandang umaga sa inyong lahat.
Buti naman hindi ka Buti
Buti
naman hindi ka nagkakamali, hindi mo nasabi magandang gabi kasi feeling mo gabi pa.
Ay, hindi naman. Kasi sobrang araw, alam kong umaga, kaya nga naka-glasses ako kanina. Medyo okay na yung mata
Yung mga ano, di ba, yung mga walang tulog, pag tumititig sila sa araw, so like yung mata nila parang pipikit.
Ganon.
Yeah, I've been experiencing that kind of things. So,
Ay, thank you nga pala sa nagpatulog sa akin kanina. Hindi ko alam kung binuhat ako or what.
kailangan ka pa talagang patulugin.
Hindi kasi doon kami uminom somewhere, tapos kailangan akong
Oh my God. Oh my God.
Ganda ako ka-drunk kanina.
Wow, masyadong revealing si...
Hindi, mga friendship ko yun.
Oh, sige.
Eto, wait lang. Sabi
okay.
ni yung nag-text kanina. Sorry, makulit. Nagtatampo daw kasi mga classmate niya nag-birthday rin ngayong
Wow.
August. Pabati naman po sila ng happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Sina Harleen, Kenneth, Wendell, Pahor, Jessa, Burley, and Jackert.
Ayan.
Ayun,
Happy
thanks
birthday
daw
sa
mga
inyo.
DJ. At saka,
Mukhang-
request niyo yung song ni Daniel Padilla.
Grow old with you.
Yes, that's right.
I've been looking for that one. If I'm going to find it, I'll play it for you. But just kind of wait for a little while because I'm already looking for it right now.
Grow old with you. I'll try to download it later if I have the time. Alam mo naman na sobrang hectic ng schedule natin.
Ako rin may another business deal. Business deal talaga.
Business deal talaga.
Batiin ko lang ng belated happy birthday yung inaanak ko. Kasi nag-birthday siya last July 31 yata. Kaya lang wala ako dito eh. So, I wanna say happy birthday to Shasha. Hi Shasha, happy birthday to you from your Ninang. O yung regalo ni Ninang pagbunta ko na ng gym. Busy pa. Pahabol. Okay. And there's more, Jade.
Later on, I'm gonna read more messages from our texters. Dito lamang po sa aming text line.
Of course, our text line is 0915-978-6030.
Alright, please don't ever change your radio dial. There's more only here in Morning Express via RN 105.7 FM with your gorgeous DJs, JB.
And of course, Beyonce.